Yeah, hi, morning Barry, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your jukebox laser for you as promised. I've given it a good service for you, and I've replaced the laser, and I've had it going now for about 7 hours, and it's showing zero signs of faults. The fault that I found obviously was your laser is dead, as what you presumed anyway, and paid for obviously. But you can see there, that's 29th there. So yeah, it's all working as it should be. So I'll just give you a demo. So I'm going to just go back to track 2. I'm not going to go back to track 1 because it's very slow start and you won't be able to wear it, but I'll just turn it up. Track 3, track 4, track 5, and it just carry on going up. But yeah, it's in pretty good condition as well, to be honest with you. It's not had mega heavy use in pubs or clubs, which is quite nice. So yeah, I'll be getting that out to you today, so that will be with you tomorrow morning. You've got a 6-month warranty on the parts and the work that we've done only, obviously. All we ask is you pay the postage back to us, and there'll be no questions, and we will do the repair for you free of charge. So yeah, please leave feedback when you get it, and let me know that you're happy. Thank you very much, Barry. Really appreciate your business. Have a great day.